Wednesday, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Molly's Munchies. As always, today I will highlight one of our incredible clients, we'll share some of their products with you, and lastly, we'll share with you where you can buy them too. And today, I'm very excited to be highlighting Amylu. In 1992, their founder, Amy, pioneered the chicken sausage category. She had been working by her grandfather's side in the family's traditional sausage company, and she saw the opportunity to make a healthier, pork-free product to meet the growing interest in more healthful foods. Amylu chicken sausages have brought all of the deliciousness of traditional sausages to their all-natural, nitrate and nitrite-free chicken sausages. They are only made with real, 100% natural ingredients, have no added MSG, no preservatives, and no artificial anything. They are also gluten-free, low in fat, low in carbs, and high in protein. Today, the Amylu lineup includes almost 50 different delicious flavors. And aside from chicken sausages, Amylu now also has chicken burgers, chicken meatballs, chicken breakfast links, and also chicken bacon with flavors like apple and Gouda, roasted garlic and Asiago, Italian, and habanero and tequila. There's truly a chicken sausage for everyone. Lately, I have been obsessing over Amylu breakfast time and chicken links. Ever since I bought them, I seriously have not been able to stop cooking them because they are the perfect addition to any breakfast plate. I love pairing them with any style of eggs and fruit or gluten-free toast for a simple yet healthy breakfast. And what's great about these is that you can grill them, you can cook them on the stovetop, or you could just microwave them because they are already fully cooked. You can of course eat them plain, but I like to dip mine in a little bit of ketchup. They're just so delicious. And since discovering Amylu, I have gotten my entire family hooked. We've made the chicken burgers on the grill, we've made the chicken sausages with peppers and onions, and I'm telling you, we have absolutely loved every single SKU. And lucky for you, you can find Amylu at Sprouts, Whole Foods, Costco, and a handful of other retailers, and you can find Amylu at a retailer near you using the store locator on their website. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go finish my delicious breakfast now, and if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it out to friends and family who you feel would absolutely love Amylu too. And I will see you next time. Bye!